Hello and welcome back to my channel, The Networking Guy. Today we'll be going over LeetCode problem number 7, reverse integer. And the question goes like this. Given a signed 32-bit integer x, return x with its digits reversed. If the reversing causes the integer to go outside the 32-bit range, which is 2 raised to 30, like minus 2 to 31 and 2 is 31 minus 1, then we return 0. Examples are here. Say if x is 1 to 3, we got to output 3 to 1, and similarly if it's x is minus 1 to 3, we just output minus 3 to 1. And for 1 to 0, the slightly edge case where if you reverse, it's 0 to 1. So 0 is obviously in the beginning, you can remove it, so it's just 2 1. So let's get into it. We'll take a long. We already have x, sorry. So we have a result. This is long. Since we can have an integer overflow as mentioned in the question, so we'll store the value in the long while x is not equal to 0, and the code is pretty simple, but don't worry, I'll explain it. X percent 10 and x is equal to x divided by 10. And if res is less than integer dot min value, or res is greater than integer dot max value, then we return 0. This is because of this part. And then else we convert the value to an integer and then return it. So this is the main meat of the problem. So let's take an example of 1 to 3. Let me do it here. Say x is equal to 1 to 3. So what the first one does is res first time will become, so what we're trying to do is we first spit out 3 and then keep x in the other two. So like keep 12 in x and make res as 3. Then we multiply, in the next iteration we multiply 3 by 10, which makes it 30, and then we add 2, and then we extract 2 and add 2 to it, so it becomes 32. And similarly next time we multiply 32 by 10, which is 320, and then add 1 to it. So that is what we're doing here. So let me give you a quick example. So in the first iteration will be 0 into 10 plus 1 to 3 percentile 10, which is nothing but 3, and x divided by 10 will be equal to 12. In the next iteration, res becomes 3 into 10 plus 12 percentile 10, which is nothing but 32, because this is 30 and this is 2, and x divided by 10 will be x divided by 10 will be 1. Similarly, when you do the next iteration, so now we have 3 2, we'll get 3 to 1, and that's the explanation of the problem. Let's go ahead and run the code. Okay, submit, and there you go. It ran in 1 milliseconds. That beats almost 100% of the Java submissions. So that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel, and thank you for watching.